Morning, children. How are you? I hope you also fine there. Welcome to our online class. Today we are going to discuss 6th class English 4th lesson B reading poem, that is My Dependence. The poem My Dependence was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Dependence means being controlled by somebody. Dear students, before going to read the poem, we should know some hard words and their meanings. Dependence, the state of relying on. Embrace, hug. Grace, an attractively polite manner of behaving. Shower, give a great number of things. Info, information. Colleague, co-worker. Neighbors, a person living next door or very near. Fortune, chance or luck. Let us read the poem. First stanza. I like to be dependent. Rabindranath Tagore likes to dependent and so forever. With warmth, warmth means love and affection, and care of my mother, my father. So here Rabindranath Tagore wants to live depending on mother and father, because to get their love, kiss and embrace. Embrace means hug. Where life happily. He wants to live happily with love and affection of his parents. In all their grace. Grace means kind of parents. So in this stanza, Rabindranath Tagore likes to live depending on his parents because he doesn't like to lose his parents' love and affection. Look at the second stanza. I like to be dependent. He likes to be dependent. And so forever. On my kith and kin. Kith and kin means best relationship. That means blood relation. So here Rabindranath Tagore likes to live depending on best relatives. For they all shower harsh. Harsh means unpleasant and warm advices. Sometimes they give good advices him. Complaints. They give complaints against him, which is right and which is wrong. Full wondering. He feels its wonder. True and info Jains. True means they are truthful person, and info means who give information about him. So in this stanza, Rabindranath Tagore likes to depend on best relatives. Look at the third stanza. I like to be dependent. So he likes to depend, and so forever my friends. For my friends means here Rabindranath Tagore likes to live depending on his friends because chat means talk with them and want me near. They are very close. With domestic means related to house, family and romantic tips. Sometimes friends talk about romantic tips. Colleagues as well. Colleagues means co-worker, same profession. Guide me work at risks. They guide him to work at risks in some difficulties. So in this stanza, Rabindranath Tagore likes to live depending on friends and colleagues. Next, look at the fourth stanza. I like to be dependent. Here he likes to depend and so forever for my neighbors. So Rabindranath Tagore likes to live depending on neighbors too, because envy means feel jealous at times. When at my rise of fortune means luck, When we get good opportunity, our neighbors feel jealous. So he like to hear, he likes to know that their feelings. My daily steps means his daily growth, improvement, easy, some easy things in his life, and hard things means different things and impossible things too. So in this stanza, Rabindranath Tagore likes to live depending on neighbors. He wants to know their feelings. So dear students, this is about my dependence. Rabindranath Tagore likes to live depending on others in this poem. Thank you. See you in next class.